Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to turn on a Fitbit Charge 4. This will be a super easy tutorial, so let's get right into the video. If your Fitbit Charge 4 has turned off because you let the battery die or whatever the case is, and you want to turn it back on, all that you have to do is press and hold the side button for just a few moments and it should power on, okay? So there's a button right here. It's actually almost like a pretend button, and you push and hold it down. You press and hold it down, so you can push and hold it down for a few seconds and your Fitbit Charge 4 should power on. And that works pretty much every single time, other than the first time that you're using the device. This is where many people might be searching this up. Let's say you just got your Fitbit Charge 4 and you can't figure out how to turn it on. For the first time that you're going to use the device, you need to charge it up. You need to plug it into the charger. So what you want to do is take your Fitbit Charge 4, get the charger, make sure that it's plugged in properly to a power brick, just like that, okay? And you want to charge it up. Very easy to do. You just line up the pins with those little contacts right there, okay? And you'll feel it kind of click in place and you'll see that it's charging. It's that simple. So the first time that you're using your Fitbit Charge 4, when you're getting ready to set it up, you can't just press the button. It won't turn on. You need to plug it in to the charger and start charging it. And when you're setting it up in the app, it'll actually tell you to start charging it. But the problem is that when people take their Fitbit Charge 4 out, they don't open the app yet, the Fitbit app, and they just want to start using it right away, they can't figure out how to turn it on. They might think that there's a problem with the device. But in reality, they just need to plug it into the charger. And if you open the app, you'll be instructed to do so anyways when you're setting it up. But I figured that I would make this video because a lot of people are probably thinking that their device might not be working, when in reality they just have to charge it up, plug it in to charge it up. It's that simple, and it should turn on. That's for the first time. Every other time after that, just press and hold down that side button. And that's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.